Kaya natin tumalon-talon na. Hindi abot na ako. Lagpas na ako na rin yata dyan sa kabila. Ha?
It's now flooding in East Village, Cainta, Rizal. The water is rising fast and some people are trapped. The floodwater is almost overtaking them.
Di naabot, be. Di naabot. Dito pa yun sa Cobra. Di naabot, be. Gabi. Nalapit na ako dyan. Nagkanula ako.
This isn't just another news story. This is the reality that many Filipinos are facing right now. While lives hang in the balance, we are confronted with the true problem that affects our people. A problem we've seen time and time again, yet continue to ignore.
Dito tayo sa kanilang palaruan. Yung palaruan ng pimpong nila. Pero
Instead of addressing the root causes of these crises, we often focus on political issues, engaging in endless debates while the real problems worsen. Where is the budget for flood control now? Why? Every time there's heavy rain in Metro Manila, do the floods quickly rise, threatening our homes and lives? We ask these questions every time disaster strikes, but the answers seem to elude us. It's as if we've grown accustomed to the suffering, accepting it as part of our daily lives. But should we?
may nag-rescue sa kanila. Sa ano lang po to, bit-bit ko lang yung CP ko. Tsaka ano.
Filipinos have always shown incredible resilience in the face of adversity. When disaster hits, we come together. Neighbors helping neighbors, strangers becoming heroes. This unity, this Bayanihan spirit is what defines us as a people. But we need to ask ourselves, is this enough?
Rescue nila. Aso, taas kasi. Nawakan nila.
Resilience should not be our only response. We need proactive, sustainable solutions that address these problems at their core. It's not enough to just react. We need to prepare, to plan, and to implement solutions that prevent this suffering before it begins.
Kami sa ano, sa Villages Cainta Rizal. Ikot po kami kasi kailangan namin
Education plays a crucial role. Our young people need to understand the importance of environmental stewardship, of taking care of the resources that sustain us, and of holding on to the values that make us resilient. By instilling these values in our children, we prepare them not just for the next storm, but for the future they will inherit.
Kailangan natin manggilid lang tayo. Dito lang po yan sa Villages Cainta Rizal. Villages.
We also need our leaders to act with urgency and foresight. It's about making sure that the funds meant for flood control and disaster preparedness are used effectively. But this isn't just about what the government can do. It's about all of us, the Filipino people, working together.
Camping daw para sa floodway, sa mga flood ganito. Ayan, nakatenga lang.
Every single one of us has a role to play. Whether it's something as simple as keeping our surroundings clean, participating in community efforts, or staying informed about what we can do to minimize risks, our actions make a difference. It's about how we can support our leaders, ensuring that the resources intended for our protection are utilized to the fullest. It's about coming together not only in times of crisis, but in every moment, to build a nation where our children can feel safe no matter the weather.
Kaya naman yan dyan eh. Sa mga taga-Villages,
we have the potential to shape a brighter future, but it starts with unity. It starts with each of us caring enough to be involved, to support the right initiatives, and to remember the lessons that these disasters teach us. Each small action, each effort to improve our communities adds up to something much greater.
Mahulog ka pa. Lalim masyado. Tignan natin.
Let's set aside the divisions that hold us back and focus on the issues that truly matter. Let's work hand in hand, government, private sector, and every citizen, so that no one has to suffer when the rains come. Let's build a society where every Filipino can feel confident that they are safe, where the tragedies of the past do not become the tragedies of the future.
Pataas na kasi dyan eh. Yan na yung floodway control nila oh. Floodway. Dito na po tayo sa Courier. Yan, ito na po yung Courier.
Filipinos, we are stronger when we are united. Let's not wait for the next crisis to remind us of this truth. Let's act now together for a better, safer future for all. A future where we are not just reacting to disasters, but preventing them. Where we are not just surviving, but thriving. Where we are not just hoping for change, but being the change.
Oh, ano yan? Shit.
Together, we can face whatever comes our way and emerge stronger. Let's start today and build the future that every Filipino deserves.
Masyadong lumakal yun. Grabe.
I'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. What do you think about the issues we've discussed? Share your opinions in the comments below, and let's start a meaningful conversation. Your voice matters, and together, we can inspire positive change.
Thank you po sa coffee natin dyan, kape. Salamat po. Thank you po. Salamat po. Sobrang laki.
If you resonate with the message of this video, please support my channel by giving this video a like, subscribing, and sharing it with others. Let's spread awareness and enlighten more Filipinos. Together, we can make a difference.
So mga nagbibigay po ng donate, salamat sa kape. Salamat sa kape. Sa Billy Cheese, Quinta Rizal. Mga rescuer.